right now.
Is it truly laziness that is troubling you? No, it is absence of will that lets this laziness win over. My dear, are you lazy towards your personal work, professional work, and entertainment? No, you are not. You use me there too. But when it comes to spirituality, you ignore me. Will grows by using will. Exercise your will, my dear, and get rid of this laziness.
Jude, so many things to do. Get up early in the morning to do meditation. Travel to take sitting. Run for satsang. That too, 15 minutes early. Switch off cell phone. This, that, what not. Come on, take it easy. Just chill.
Looks like you are finding ways to avoid doing the right thing. Don't you show similar commitment towards your work or livelihood? When you drive on the road, there are some guidelines for your safe journey. These aspects of the practice are for your development. Please don't fool yourself with lame excuses and delay your spiritual progress.
Gigi. Okay. If your master can give it, then why make all this effort? Somehow you have to get it. After all, you are accepting him and this change.
My dear, Sahaj Marg is simple but not easy. The Guru can assist as long as you play your role. If you are not interested in your own spiritual development, then why should anybody else be? What he is doing is his duty, and what you are not doing is your duty. Evolution from human level is out of choice for willing participants. My dear, if you are accepting him, then you should also accept the need to obey, the need for practice. Your willful effort is an indicator of your own interest. Arise, awake, and rest not till the goal is achieved.
Boss, that means you have to work a lot. Are you sure? You want to do this? I mean, you have a long life. Why bother now about all this?
Oh, Abhinivesha. Oh, my dear, your laziness is misleading you. The great master has evoked this spiritual journey in you. It is your effort that matters now. A meditated man will develop good discipline. Such discipline will remove all excuses. Live life as if you are going to die the next moment. This is the right attitude towards this human life. Time lost, opportunity lost will not come back. Without your interest, no one can do anything. Think about it. Do it here and now. Keep meditating.
उद्धरेदात्मनात्मानं न आत्मानमवसादयेत् आत्मैव ह्यात्मनो बन्धुः आत्मैव रिपुरात्मनः.
This is too much. Someone is trying to wash me and my dear brothers out slowly. No way. How to tackle this guy? How do I pull him back? Let me try this. My brother Prejudice. We need to do something about him. He's slipping away from us. Please come. Help me.
Come on, dude. You must be kidding. If not, tell me, how can you love a person who is not from your religion and caste? If you go this path, you will lose your identity. You seem to take life too serious. Meditation, spirituality, meaningful life, valuable life. Values? What values? Yesterday's values or today's values? You will lose a great deal if you subscribe to all this. Brotherhood, humanity, universal love, big deal, da!
What is happening to me?
such cross thoughts? With this attitude, will I be able to reach the goal? What should I do now?
Very good job, my brother. Very good job. See? I told you not to trouble yourself. You are all alone. By the way, where is your master? Will he not meet you? Help you? Maybe he is very busy with others and has no time for you. My job is done. I can relax again.
Master, show me the way. My hope is fading away, Master. Please help.
हे मेरे गुरुदेव करुणा सिंधु करुणा कीजिए। हे मेरे गुरुदेव करुणा सिंधु करुणा कीजिए। हूँ अधम अधीन अशरण अब शरण में लीजिए। हूँ अधम अधीन अशरण अब शरण में लीजिए। हे मेरे गुरुदेव करुणा सिंधु करुणा कीजिए। हे मेरे गोते हूँ मैं भव सिंधु के मझधार में। हार ही गोते हूँ मैं भव सिंधु के मझधार में। आसरा है दूसरा ना कोई इस संसार में। हे मेरे गुरुदेव करुणा सिंधु करुणा कीजिए। हे मेरे पाप बोझे से लदी नैया भंवर में जा रही। पाप बोझे से लदी नैया भंवर में जा रही। नाथ दौड़ो अब बचाओ जल्दी डूबी जा रही। हे मेरे गुरुदेव करुणा सिंधु करुणा कीजिए। हे मेरे आप भी यदि छोड़ देंगे फिर कहाँ जाऊंगा मैं। आप भी यदि छोड़ देंगे फिर कहाँ जाऊंगा मैं। जन्म दुख की नाव कैसे पार कर पाऊंगा मैं। हे मेरे गुरुदेव करुणा सिंधु करुणा कीजिए। हे मेरे सब जगह मंदिर भटक कर ली शरण अब आपकी। सब जगह मंदिर भटक कर ली शरण अब आपकी। पार करना या न करना दोनों मर्जी आपकी। हे मेरे गुरुदेव करुणा सिंधु करुणा कीजिए। हूँ अधम अधीन अशरण अब शरण में लीजिए। हे मेरे गुरुदेव करुणा सिंधु करुणा कीजिए। हे मेरे
Please listen, create love in yourself, and then see the progress. Love can conquer all, and love alone can do this. If you create love in your heart, then the reaction is of love and love alone. Let's first understand what is dividing all. It is your prejudice that has created all these differences. The soul is the same in all. Like how children born to a mother are brothers and sisters. You all are one humankind, born from the same source. In the eyes of God, all are equal. Then who are you to judge?
यो मां पश्यति सर्वत्र सर्वं च मयि पश्यति तस्याहं न प्रणश्यामि स च मे न प्रणश्यति।
Ach so? Huh. Look around. Nobody is taking this change seriously. Why people around you are not changing? When they are not ready to give up, why should you? Huh? Hold on to me, boss. I am your attitude.
My dear, expect not, lest thou shalt be disappointed. Your prejudice about others retards your own progress. Judge not others, my dear, reflect about yourself. Each co-traveler is in the process of becoming. Your comparison with others has to inspire you and not pull you back. Please be sensitive to your thoughts. I am your true attitude.
Ah? Come on. This is too much of change. People can take you for granted. Are you sure you want to take up this burden? How does it matter if you change or not? Hey, allow me to stay with you. Different masks for different occasions. Just pretend that you're good. You like all. Smile and hug everyone. Nobody will know. Ah.
You may cheat anyone in this world, but not yourself. True character is about being the same inside and out. Please realize that you have divinity in you. Your thought, word, and action all should be aligned as one. Please take the spirit from the 9th maxim to mold your life.
मनस्येकं वचस्येकं कर्मण्येकं दुरात्मना मनसा कर्मणा वाचा महतां एकरूपता.
9 max. Ah! Tell me, how can you love somebody who troubled you? I mean, how can you accept such people as your brothers and sisters?
Love all whom He loves. My dear seeker, spirituality teaches you to develop tolerance. Take the spirit from the 6th and the 7th maxim. By practice, your mind will develop more stability and will avoid reacting to these lower tendencies. Forgive, my dear, forgive. You have the choice to see the lower or the higher. It is the body and the mind that makes these mistakes. When you look at somebody, look at the divine inside. Yatraiva yatraiva manmadiyam tatraiva tatraiva tava swarupam.
Practice creates the experience. Experience brings acceptance. Acceptance sprouts change. Change indicates progress. Our progress reflects in our attitudes and in everything we do in this life. Our thoughts, our actions, our words, our way of living, our relationship with others, our understanding of life, and the way we live it, and most importantly, our relationship with the Guru, and the way we approach him, reflects upon our journey so far. In this journey, one may be entangled in complex tendencies and attitudes. But if there's effort, fervor in the heart for spiritual elevation, help will come. One has to realize that the Guru is like a mother who protects us and guides us in the right direction. If we are ready to hand over the reins to him with a heart full of love and gratitude.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे।
A true spiritual seeker who understands the goal of human life also acknowledges the role of the master in human evolution. Such masters come to reveal the truth eternal, which leads us to reality at dawn. A master comes to this world to demonstrate, inspire, and be a practical example for everyone to walk in his footsteps, making such a spiritual adventure possible in one's own lifetime. Realizing this unique and rare opportunity gifted, a true seeker can only offer oneself at the holy feet of the Divine Master.
Shri Guru Padukavyam
आफताबे मारफत ए नुक्तादा ने